Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Cisco patches critical vulnerability in the Unity Connection product. Come on, Cisco. Issue track CV 2024-2272 can be exploited remotely without authentication to upload arbitrary files to a system, execute commands on the underlying operating system, and elevate privileges to root. That's a lot going on, especially when you can elevate it to root. The vulnerability is due to lack of authentication in a specific API and improper validation of user supplied data. The attacker could exploit this vulnerability by uploading arbitrary files to an effective system. Cisco explains in its advisory. Cisco Unity Connection version 12.51, 19071-4, 1401-1, 1406-5 resolves the flaw. So that's the upgrade you need to do right there. Both are engineering special releases, and Cisco customers are advised to contact the tech giant to receive them. According to Cisco, there are no workarounds available for the vulnerability. The tech company is not aware of any in the wild exploitation of the bug. On Wednesday, however, the company warned of a proof of concept code has been released for medium severity security defect, WAP 371 wireless AC-N dual radio access point, which has been discontinued. It's tracked with that vulnerability, CVE 2024-2287. The file impacts the web management interface of the WAP 371 device in a single point setup and can lead to command injection. Described an improper validation of user supplied input. The bug allows an attacker to authenticate as administrator to send crafted HTTP requests to the interface of a vulnerable device to execute arbitrary commands with root privileges. Cisco 2019 WAP 371 has reached end of life status, and that no software maintenance releases or bug fixes will be shipped after September 2020. The command recommends the customer shall use discontinued product, migrate to Cisco Business 2487 AP access point. The Cisco Product Security Incident Response Team is aware of the proof of concept exploit code is available for the vulnerability. Cisco notes adding this has not observed malicious exploitations of the bug yet. Let's see. This week, the company announced patches for multiple medium severity flaws in its telepresence management suite, Thousand Eyes, Agent, Enterprise Agent, Evolve Programmable Manager, and Prime Infrastructure, Broadworks Platform, and Identity Service Engine. Once again, Cisco patches critical vulnerability in the Unity Connection product. We know Cisco is the 800-pound gorilla in the networking industry. Come on, Cisco, let's get it going. Once again, Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.